Hello everybody, it's Matt at 5280 Armory. Today we just got in a new pistol for the shop. It's a Springfield 911 chambered in .380 ACP. We've been waiting for this one for a while, so let's take a closer look. Our Springfield rep and I started talking about this new project in 2017. So when we were at SHOT Show 2018, we visited Springfield's booth as usual and took a closer look at this new 911. This pistol carries on to the tradition of John Browning's 1911, just scaled down a little bit to meet the needs of a concealed carry weapon. Here's an idea of what we meant by scaled down. We brought in this old 1943 Colt to sit right next to the 911. Its weight is about 1/3 of that of the Colt, and its overall size is about half that of this old military weapon. This everyday carry's lightweight aluminum frame with its octo-grip texture on the front and back strap helped to reduce its weight. And believe it or not, it's not much heavier than this LCP2, which is pretty light. The 911's been equipped with an ambidextrous safety, Ameriglo tritium sights with a tack rack rear, a loaded chamber indicator, and G10 grips. Breakdown is simple, and it's the same as a regular 1911. Upon teardown, you'll immediately notice a stainless steel barrel and a fully supported feed ramp. Springfield also used a full-length guide rod with a flat wire spring. After we reassembled, we took a closer look at the single-action trigger. The hammer felt consistently at under 6 pounds, and the reset was exceptionally short at around 1/16 of an inch. There's a lot of .380 pistols on the market today, but not all of them are hammer-fired. So let's take a look around the shop and see what we could bring in that this Springfield's going to have to compete with. We brought in a SIG P238 and a Walther PK380 for comparison. The SIG and the Springfield are practically identical. The Walther, however, is a giant amongst the three, in size and weight. Alright, it's time to hit the range and do some drills that a Rangemaster has prepared for us. We'll shoot today from a concealed carry theory, utilizing various holsters like OWB, IWB, and pocket holsters. Time to shoot our three competitors. Let's start off with the SIG 238. Alright, next we're going to shoot the Walther PK380. And last but not least, we'll shoot the Springfield 911. The Springfield was starting to get a bit dirty, so a quick forward assist and we were right back at it. All three of these pistols are good guns, and like we said earlier, the 911 and 238 are virtually identical. The Walther PK380, on the other hand, does feel a bit different due to its much larger frame, and that might make it too large for a CCW for some. The mag will drop freely, but I had to alter my grip significantly to get it to do so. Someone with smaller hands may not have the same issue. That's going to conclude our shoot today with this new Springfield 911. We really ran this little pistol kind of hard today and it did very well. Good shoot today. Today's personal protection shots were fired with and sponsored by G9 Bullets, rifle performance at a pistol's distance. The 911 is going to be for rent and for sale down here at the shop, so if you have any questions or want to take a closer look, come on down. 5280 Armory, Colorado's Gun Shop. We'll see you soon.